For today's video is how to remove members from a WhatsApp group. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. You can add or remove participants if you're a group admin. So to do that, let's open the WhatsApp. Then open a WhatsApp group chat. Then tap the group subject. Alternatively, if you go back and tap and hold the group chats in the tab, then tap the three dots on the upper right corner and tap the group info. Then, if you swipe down, tap the participant you want to remove. Then, you can remove that person. And just press OK. And you can see that she is already removed from the group. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it on the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!